What's up guys, my name is Andy, and in this video I just wanted to do a real quick thank you guys to all the viewers and the subscribers of the channel. I really appreciate you guys coming through and not only watching the videos but posting up questions and comments, and it's great to hear from a lot of you and be able to give back to the community. My Mustang is a hobby of mine. I'm very passionate about it, and being able to film the progress on it and share it with you guys and being able to help you guys out is something that I really like to do. Well, this is my third Mustang, in fact my third 66 Mustang. Each time I get the next car, I learn a little bit more, and I like sharing that with you guys and getting a chance to help the community learn through, whether it's you're upgrading something or replacing something. Being able to give back is something that I like. I have learned a ton from the various web boards and other communities that I've gone to get information. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do this stuff. I try to take that and incorporate it into my videos to maybe combine what somebody said in one video and the way they did something in another video and put it together and kind of put it in one spot to get all the information that we can. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for all your support. Real quick, let's do a quick montage of what we've gone through this year, and let's see how the year went. Well, that was a lot of fun. It's great to go back and see all the stuff that I've worked on. This has been, in one respect, it's been a long year, but in other respects, it's gone by pretty fast. The irony in this car compared to the other coupe that I was working on, the paint scheme is the same, and so it looks like I got the same car, but I didn't. It was purely coincidental that this new Fastback just happens to be the same paint scheme as the last car. But it's been a lot of fun, and I've got a lot of stuff that I plan on doing with this car. Like a lot of you guys, you buy parts when you can. If you get a couple extra bucks, maybe you buy something for the car. I know right now I've got enough stuff. I've kind of got enough parts and pieces that I know that I could do a video, because I've been doing a video every week. You guys notice that every Thursday I put out a new video, and if I continue that schedule, I've got enough stuff just to get me through till April. I plan to go, for the whole year, but just the stuff that I have sitting in the house and in the garage here, parts that are ready to be put on the car, I've got quite a bit still that I know that at a bare minimum, I've got a couple months worth of stuff that we can do. And then as time goes on, I try to get more parts, and as things change, right now, this position in the car, when I'm filming this, is not in line with the videos. In fact, when you're watching this on Friday, the 31st of December, yesterday's video, I had filmed that a little bit while back, so I'm a little farther ahead than where the videos are, but that's okay because it gives me a chance to maintain the schedule of a video every week. Some of you guys, you know, I've seen a lot of comments that you kind of look forward to it. You know, okay, this weekend Andy's got another video that's coming out, and you look forward to that, and that's kind of fun because I do the same thing. There are lots of channels that I follow on YouTube that they put a video out every week, and I, you know, hitting that refresh button to see when they put their video up because there's a lot of good content creators out there, and just like you guys, I look forward to it as well. So hopefully, keeping this schedule, you guys be able to have something every week to watch. So anyways, for 2022, I think we've got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of parts that I want to change in this car, a lot of parts that I want to upgrade and continue to make this car my own, and hopefully as I go along, there'll be some videos that provide some value to you guys in the parts that you're changing and upgrading. Also, if there's something that you want to see a video on, just let me know, whether you put it in the comments or wherever. There's other places that I post my videos and stuff, and I see a lot of you guys commenting on those sites, which is fantastic. I love that interaction with you guys. Let me know. I've gotten quite a few good ideas just from comments like that in the past, and I can't do everything all at once, but I have a list of videos that I would like to make that are not necessarily a new part on the car, but hey, can you cover this? You know, how do you, when you use this part, how do you do it? You know, how do you tune this thing or whatever? So if you guys have ideas, let me know, put them in the comments or let me know otherwise, and I'll see if I can put a video together for you and we can add to the channel. All right guys, thank you again for 2021. It's been a big year, and I'm hoping that 22 is an even better year, and I look forward to seeing you guys' comments. We'll see you next year.